Okay, hi. So another quarantine video. It's 7th May 2020, day 50 today, half century. So lockdown has just extended. Things are getting worse. Numbers are increasing. I don't know when everything is gonna settle down. We can be free, allowed again to go outside and have fun with friends, travel, be on mountains. Initially, it was all fine. We were putting the work, making our days productive, but as days passes by and time rolls by with the same routine, I just get sick of it. I just start hitting my breaking point and feel like when everything is gonna end. Like seriously, when? And I'm sure most of the people out there are thinking the same way. But it is what it is. We cannot change things just like that. So we just have to do our best in this situation. I just think about it, and like I literally think instead of letting my emotions think about it. This time right now we are having this free time, not the pandemic which is going outside. So this free time was once our dream. You don't have to go to work, you can sleep all day. Nobody cares if you wake up at 2 p.m. or goes to sleep at 4. It doesn't matter unless you're staying at home. Now it totally depends on us how we want to spend this time. We can just curse it all the time saying I don't want this, I'm getting bored, I want to get back to my regular routine. Or we can just play games, sleep all the times, just pass the time all the time. Or we can use this time for ourselves in a better way. See, we all know that most important thing in our life is time, not even our money. Like if we lost our money, we can earn it anytime in future. But once the time is gone, it's gone forever. Now fuck that philosophy. What point I'm trying to make here is let's use this time in a better way. This situation is gonna pass for sure. Lockdown is gonna end. Everything is gonna be again normal at some point of time for sure. Let's use this time in a better way. Let's make ourselves ready to be at least slightly better than what we were before this lockdown situation. We all have dreams and goals or plans for our better future. So let's get one step closer each day to it. Let's feed our brain the knowledge and information that it craves for. So what do we do? Like seriously, it depends on who you are and what your goals are. For me, I watch movies a lot. Bad movies, good movies, variety of films. It just feeds my creativity to develop ideas. I also read books. Right now I'm reading a book called Save the Cat. Of course I'm reading PDF version because there's no bookstore available. Books here can be good friends. Read a book at this time, you won't regret it. But I'm talking about informative books and self-help books, not about the novels and stories, unless you just want to read it for entertainment and passing the time. Let me get my laptop. See, don't read books if you think it's boring. I know it's not your thing, it's a waste of time. But if you're serious about your goals and you want to make some changes in your life, like good changes of course, so you must consider reading a book. Read them, make it a habit. Even I am trying to do it too. I'm not an avid reader, I'm still a beginner. But trust me, it's so helpful. Even successful people are doing it. Like Bill Gates reads around 50 books a year. Mark Zuckerberg reads a new book every 2 weeks. Like he's an avid reader. Even Elon Musk, when asked how did he learn to build rockets, he said, I read books. So it's that wonderful. Even being successful, these people never stop learning. And if we want to achieve something in our life, we should never stop evolving. Most people think that schools and colleges were end of the education, but it's not like that. In fact, schools and colleges are beginning of the education. There's so much to learn in life. This is an era of information and knowledge. The more we have it, the more we are respected and valued in this world. But I'm not just talking about general knowledge or any knowledge. Like general knowledge is good to have, but having right knowledge is as important as fueling a petrol car with petrol. Like if you're a medical student and every day you're just consuming knowledge from news channels and knowing about politics, politicians and political events, it's not of any use. It's not going to fuel your medical career. So having right knowledge and right information is very important. And apart from books, you can even do some online courses. There are plenty of available. Whatever your interest is, you just name it, you'll find it. Or you can even watch tutorials on YouTube, learn new skills or polish the old one. Obviously, it depends on how we wanna live our life. Like if you wanna live for the sake of living like everybody else is doing, we can be anybody. But we all have capabilities to be somebody. So let's do some hard work. Also, there's a book I read a few weeks ago. It explains nicely about increasing our value. It goes like this: you cannot have all that you want if you remain the same person you are. To get more from life, you need to be more in life. So my friends, let's be more into life and let's not stop learning. That's it. That's what I've got for you now. I'll see you in the next video.